Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You sign in now and don't wait. Open a private browser and attempt access. Once signed in, check the account notification area and recent activity to spot the trigger. Next, compile verification items, government ID or payment receipts, the phone number and recovery email tied to the account, and any device names you used. This speeds verification. If you cannot sign in at all, attempt password reset immediately and log the exact error messages for the next steps. You'll focus on identity verification and removing flags now. Follow the recovery flow to submit ID and transaction details. This proves ownership and explains anomalies. While evidence processes, check rewards rules. Location mismatches or multiple accounts often cause temporary restrictions. Make required changes. Remove unknown devices, rotate your password, and enable two-factor authentication to demonstrate security control. Once done, document the case ID and the time you submitted evidence so you can reference it when following up with support. You're finishing by formally contacting Microsoft support with all collected evidence and the recovery case ID. Be concise and include timestamps and screenshots. After submission, allow 24 to 72 hours for review and monitor the recovery email closely. Respond fast if they request more info. If the restriction persists, clear cookies and cache and retry from a different device or IP, because cached tokens or geolocation can keep a block in place. Key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.